Good morning, Amila. Amila, are you there? Hello. Hi, girls. Okay, turn on your camera. No turning off.
Wait. Let me just. Oh,
I'm gonna count till five. If it's not on, you have a black star. One, two, three. I think Amila wants a second black star. Four.
I was making, in English, ma'am told us to like make a story when, like, by like in the picture with all of those animals from the picture and stuff. So that's what
How is it
I made
going?
it.
You made
I
it?
made it. Yeah, but the thing is, I sure it's a little bit shorter than Amala's because we made the story in like the same Canva.
How about you share it? Let's see what changes we can bring. I'll give some suggestions.
Yeah, I'll show you. But let me just move these pages because I need to like now only I see like I have to upload this. So then like good morning, ma'am. I'm just gonna move
Morning,
the
Ihan.
pages because so that ma'am can see that the pages are here. Or ma'am will be like there's only other type of work. The jungle thing is in here. So then I'll get scolded. So I'm just gonna
Ihan, you can turn on your lights. Why everyone is running out today?
huh?
I guess I had to mark absent for everyone.
What happened?
Not you. Definitely not you.
Ma'am, do you want me to share it?
Yes, let's see.
So this is my Story of the Wild by Haya.
Okay, good.
There was an elephant named Emily. She was
Make E capital. Emily is a name, right? So first letter will be capital. Elephant.
Emily. She was the biggest from her group. Everyone would know when she's coming because of her loud footsteps. But the new lion was jealous, so he challenged her to a race. But Emily was scared. So the team cheered her up and said, "You can do it." Then she was ready and said, "Okay, I will race you." The race started. The lion Zack. Oh, what is that?
In the previous one, we can maybe get a footstep right. So we can be
Huh?
more creative. Let the footsteps be there.
Footsteps in this page?
Yeah, because footstep, they are talking about footstep, right? Ihan, what happened? There's no light there. Turn on
The,
your camera, dear. Sorry, camera and lights.
Amila's is right near me, but I don't know what, but like,
Do we
I
have
feel like
elephant footstep? Elephant footstep? The big footstep is there, no?
paw prints. Should I just type paw prints?
That would be great. Ayman, Ihan, hi, good morning. See, blue one, blue one, go with the blue one. No, blue one. Get two, three blue ones. Below.
This one?
Yeah, get two, three of them. So you can align them in order.
These are 3D.
They're looking
But
nice.
but they won't see because it's like the color of the
Then you
background
take
is
black.
same.
Then you take black. And Ihan and Ayman, if you are not turning on your microphone, I would count it as you are not there. Because I wished you multiple times, good morning, you are not responding.
Sorry, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Why there's so much darkness? Turn on the light, dear.
Oh, flip it horizontally. Oh, flip it vertically. Yes, good job. I did it. Now we're gonna do. Oh no. This is man.
Yes, Ayman, hi.
The race started. The lion Zack was in the lead, but the elephant was slow and steady because when he was a child, he read about the hare and the tortoise. And just like that, when Zack was about to win, he smelled meat right beside him. So he went straight and ate it. But then he felt sleepy and said, "Ha, he won't pass me anyway." But then slept. But little did he know, he was already, she was the elephant was already ahead and about to win. They cheered. Zack heard it and saw Emily going in the lead and said, "Oh no, what do I do now?" And then Emily finished the race, so slow and steady wins the race, this one. Then Zack agreed to be friends with Parrot Lily, Zebra Zumba, Tiger Jumbo, Monkey Jack, Deer July, Lion Mars, and Elephant Emily. They were the best friends group. Ma'am, can I say something?
Make the names capital first of all, first letters. Yes, now you can say something.
The thing was, what I was saying. Yeah, so the thing is, when look, this line, right? I didn't even use ChatGPT. I was thinking of all the names. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I got nothing.
But it is good story. Make Zumbo, Jumbo, Jack, everyone capital. Also add some animals in the previous ones. Here, see, it's looking very colorful. You can add some there also. Maybe they pop up. You have effects there. See, animate option is there. So animals will pop up when you click it. Click on the animal, then animate. Click on the animal. You have to click on the animal first. Yeah. That letters will come.
That's good.
Yeah, click on the animals now. Anyone? 1 second, I will have coming.
The
Now see, there's a option of animate. So they will come when you click them one by one. So those options are there. Okay?
this one. I like this one.
Yeah, you can work on it. Yes, Amila, what happened?
I was joining here, but you said something staff meeting or
Yeah,
something.
but you joined when I joined. You were here, then you left again. When I told you to turn on your camera, see, Amila, you are never turning on the camera. It will turn off after 3 minutes. So if this continues, next time onwards, I'm going to take your attendance for assembly. Either
Okay, ma'am.
adjust everything and come. Your camera should be on when you come. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Today I'm not doing it. I'll give you a warning. Next time I'll do it. Sounds good?
Ma'am, tomorrow I will present the infection disease. I'm done with it.
We can see it tomorrow. Okay, people. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Good job, Haya. It is looking very nice. Okay, make the changes and show it to ma'am. Bye-bye, guys.